Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with Boot Up. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a beat or melody for the Beatbox machine project. So what I want to do is make it so that when I press the spacebar, it's going to play a beat. So I'm going to tell it to stop anything else from going. So all I hear is my beat. So I'm going to stop the other scripts on the stage. And then all I'm going to do is just switch to one of my photos and then play some kind of a sound. So I'm going to repeat this pattern several different times. So I made a copy of this and I wanted to make it so that it's a different photo every time. So let's go with photo 2, let's try photo 3, photo 1, sure, and then photo 4. And then at the very end, I want it to switch to the blank backdrop one. Now what I want to do is actually make it so that it plays different sounds for each of these, and I don't want to just hear a snare drum the whole time, although I like playing the snare drum. Okay, so I'm going to do number 2, which is the bass drum. Let's go close hi-hat, number 6. Yeah, we can keep that as a snare drum. And let's do number 5, open hi-hat. So if I press spacebar, let's see what it does now. Cool. So if you happen to like the beat that you've created, you can actually use repeats around it. So what you want to do is put a repeat around every single block in it, except for the very last one. You're going to want to switch to the blank backdrop. So I want to do this 3 times. So now when I press space, it'll play this whole beat 3 times and then switch to the blank backdrop at the end. Let's see what that sounds like. Awesome. So if you are using other blocks, you can actually make a melody. So instead of play drum, you can do play note, and you can actually switch to different instruments. So you can have it play many different things. You could also use the play sound blocks. So if you use one of these and you have your own recorded sounds in here, like these 4 different sounds, you could, let me scroll down, use the same kind of code where you switch to a backdrop, play a sound. But the only thing you want to add in is a wait in between each of these. So it's the same idea as the previous code that you created. However, you just add in a wait. So that way it does backdrop, sound, wait, backdrop, sound, wait, and it keeps repeating that. So experiment with that, add in different sound blocks, make a change to different photos, and maybe even add in some repeats inside of repeats to see what kind of cool patterns you can make in your own beats or melodies.